Alright YouTube, what's up? Just want to make a quick video here. This is why not to buy cheap balisongs. This one here, I've had for probably about a week. And immediately, the first day I got it, this little piece here was wiggly. And so, okay, well, alright, I can, you know, it's only $10 knife, so I can see what that was happening. So we tighten this here, this little screw. And then it was the latch, which completely broke off. Like, I don't know, a week later, it just now broke off. I just wanted to make this video. And then, I'm like, well, I guess we'll have to get that back on there, so we're going to tighten this, but we couldn't find anything big enough to tighten that, or small enough. And so, well, whatever, I guess I can just, you know, call him and get my money back, and he said he would, he'd give me a full refund, and he doesn't even want the knife back, so that's a plus. And then, right after we're tightening this, I was going back inside, and this thing just completely busted. Fucking piece of shit, you know? Latch broke off completely. Now, this one, the latch also broke off. So, I mean, this one's better than that because the handle is 2 pieces. And this is still a cheapie. So if you're gonna buy a cheapie, you know, buy something like this and look at it first. Make sure the handle is 1 piece. I said 2 pieces before. This is 1 piece. This is a 1-piece handle. This is a 2-piece handle. You don't want 2 pieces. And make sure it's a hard material. This is still break. This is pretty much, you know, worst balisongs you can buy. So, if you're gonna buy any type of balisong, buy a benchmade, and I'll have a link in the description. So you guys, you know, just, I mean, if you absolutely have to buy a cheapie, buy something like this, where, you know, look at it and see if you squeeze it together, does the handle bend? Is it the handle 1 piece, you know? Is it strong material? You want to look at the knife before you buy it. Don't just buy one off the internet. That's what I did with this one, and it's a complete fail. So yeah, I know benchmades nowadays are probably about $200 to $300, but it's well worth it. I'm trying to save up for one right now, so, you know, it is a lot of money. But if you absolutely have to buy a cheapie, buy one like this, where it'll last you a while. Not forever, obviously, but benchmades will last you forever. And I'm gonna go watch House now, because I just want to make this video really quick. So, see ya.